I'm Jen from Rustic Rehabs. I am in the Milwaukee suburbs, and this is how our week has gone. The rain started on Saturday while I was still at work. I had some painting I wanted to do, so I decided to ride it out, and then I had to run out and get my trash cans. We're blowing down the street. We fared okay. We are on a slab, so we got some water under our floors, and we're dealing with it. We'll be fine. For me, the water is more of a nuisance, but please keep your thoughts for the people who have lost everything in Milwaukee. Some folks are in for a long road with a lot of cleanup ahead of them. So I'm feeling grateful. I was planning to head to Beaver Dam on Sunday when I was shop vacuuming instead, because that's the way life goes. So on Monday, I decided I deserved a retreat, and we drove about an hour to Beaver Dam. I saw St. Vinny's and decided to go on a little thrifting trip. There's a little peek at some of the furniture. I thought some of it was high priced, but I wasn't really in the market for that today. Look at this little kid's high chair. Isn't that crazy? While browsing the furniture, I saw this. I've not really seen a chair like this before turn into a shelf. I had to get it for 10 bucks. I knew I wanted to use this for a part of a paint challenge for the new mixology sampler kit that Debbie Beard just released with DIY paint. I considered changing the fabric, but we just updated it with a little black dress and some distressing. Watch the full video on YouTube. It's a good one. I go through a whole bunch of stuff and talk about my friend Bob Ross. I'll leave a link below. The home decor section of this store was actually smaller than I expected. I did find a few things, but I was not overwhelmed with choices, if I'm honest. And that's how thrifted can be. Sometimes you see tons of stuff, and other times you just find a few things. This is the second one of these stools that I've found in the last couple of months, and I love it. I'm keeping it just for use at the store. Anybody need a monkey lamp? I picked up this little wooden side table that I think is meant for a patio to use as a display in my store. What do you think? Am I missing anything good here? I thought these brown vases could definitely use a paint job and maybe an IOD transfer or mold. What do you think? Yes, you heard that right. I am a proud new IOD stockist. We plan to launch all of our products for IOD to coincide with their holiday launch, which is August 26th at noon Central Time. So make sure you save the date in store and online. It's going to be pretty cool. Stay tuned for more. I spy some $5 candlesticks that could be awesome. I gave these gals a paint job using the Prima Metallic Champagne. Tell me, what do you think? And I also did a reel showing you how you can turn your LED candles into beautiful decoupaged candles with Royce papers. Check it out. You can watch that video on Facebook and YouTube too. It's pretty cool. How funny is this coffee cup? I did pick up this little witch, and she sold yesterday to a customer who had little kids, love to decorate for Halloween. This one I, however, left. I thought she was a little bit too creepy. What do you think? Should I have gotten her? This little guy got a paint job and some glitter, but I didn't get a picture yet, so come back because I did pick him up. And how cute is this witch made out of pumpkins? Why have I never thought of this? I only ended spending about 45 bucks at this thrift store, but I got some really good stuff. And then I was off to spend a bunch more on floral and other decor to fill up the shop for fall. So we'll be releasing that throughout this week as we get ready to host our first flea market on the first weekend of October. Our first fall market is coming up and I'm so excited. We still have some spaces left if you are a maker in the Milwaukee area. Here's a peek at what we got that day for our 45 bucks. Then I filled my Explorer with greenery and other good stuff, and we are starting to put this fall in. And guys, it's looking really good, but some of it's going fast already. So make sure to come in next week and visit us. And if I don't see you then, I hope to see you during the Festival of the Arts on Saturday. I can't wait. Have a great weekend and stay dry wherever you are.